Hello everyone, welcome back to my another daily blog. It's been a while since I posted anything on my channel because I have been busy traveling. I got back home last night and started my daily routine. It's been a tiring day, but I love home cooked food. So during my travel, I had to eat out a lot, but nothing beats home food. Last night I soaked some chickpeas and this morning I'm boiling them in my pressure cooker to make chickpeas ball. Chickpeas are a great source of protein for vegetarian and personally I love them. I really don't have a lot of veggies in my fridge right now, so today I'll be making some healthy and easy recipe for us. So one of my favorite is Dalma. Dalma is a famous dish from my hometown, and I absolutely love the Dalma my mom's makes. It's delicious. I don't think I can match her level, but I will try my best. Dalma is very easy to make. It means dal with lot of vegetables. I usually use two dal and whatever veggies I have in my fridge. Normally I add pumpkin, beans, potatoes, carrot, lauki, papaya, drumstick, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and for the tadka, cumin seed, mustard seed, onion, garlic, ginger, and curry leaves. But right now I don't have some of these vegetables like lauki, papaya, drumstick, and curry leaves because they are not available in my area. It's difficult to get some local veggies here, and the nearest Indian store is quite far. It takes me more than an hour by metro and tram to get there. I love curry leaves and I really miss them. At home, we have a big curry leaves tree that my mom and dad planted in our garden. The smell is superb. My mom uses curry leaves in different recipes every day. They are really good for health. I have a small cauliflower, so I thought I would cook that too. I will do simple fry with just turmeric and salt. Sometimes I use coriander and cumin powder. Usually, I don't add a lot of spices. Simple food is delicious and healthy, in my opinion. I always try to balance my meals because balanced food is essential for a healthy body. I also love shopping wherever I go. I like to buy small things. It's a way to hold on to memories. So I got small, cute things for this time. And yeah, I got a magnet cocoa clocks from Triwork. They have so many beautiful cocoa clock in different sizes, color, and designs. Unfortunately, I could not get a big or small one because they were quite expensive. What I really feel. So that's all for the today's blog. Hopefully, I will upload my daily blog on a regular basis. See you next time. Bye bye.